A hurricane warning is now in effect for Jamaica as Hurricane Elsa continues on its strengthening path approaching the Central Caribbean. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Bulletin number 7. Hurricane warning now in effect for Jamaica. A hurricane warning is now in effect for Jamaica as Hurricane Elsa continues its slow strengthening path while approaching the Central Caribbean. This means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica in the next 36 hours or less. Elsa is now a Category 1 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson wind scale with maximum sustained wind speed near 140 km per hour or 85 miles per hour with higher gusts. Little change is expected in the forecast through Saturday, but slow and weakening is expected to begin on Saturday night or even early as Sunday. Elsa is moving quickly towards the west, near 48 kilometers per hour or 30 miles per hour, and the general motion is expected to continue through Saturday. A west-northwestward motion with a decrease in forward speed is expected on Saturday and even into Sunday. On its forecast track, the center of Hurricane Elsa will continue to move over the eastern Caribbean today and through the central Caribbean on Saturday before passing just east and north of Jamaica on Sunday morning. Heavy showers and thunderstorm along with winds reaching tropical storm force could begin to impact eastern section of Jamaica as early as Saturday night. So the Meteorology Service of Jamaica will continue to track this system and provide us with the latest to come on this. This was bulletin number 7 from the Meteorology Service of Jamaica, so we expected bulletin number 8 in a few hours time, but as the system moved closer into the Caribbean, we were able to obtain some amateur videos of countries that have been battered by this storm moving into a hurricane. And we're about now to share those with you right now, right here on Links 007 TV News Report. So let's go over to that right now.
roof going, Gemma roof gone, the Kelly's wanna lift up. I don't know how many people got them break or them chop them, I don't know, but caught in their fly. I'm so scared of this.
Losing all the mangoes.
Well, there you have it. That was some amateur videos captured of Hurricane Elsa as it swept through the Caribbean, leaving a tail of destruction behind. And now Jamaica has been upgraded to a tropical hurricane warning, and this is in effect immediately, and this was released by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica. As I said before, we'll continue to track this system and try to provide you with any more and latest information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the latest bulletin to come in a few hours' time.
We are in the hurricane season. There is actually a hurricane which has formed, and it is now affecting Barbados, Hurricane Elsa. And we are expecting that we should start, by virtue of the models that exist, that by Saturday evening we probably will start feeling some effects of the hurricane. We have gotten better at managing these natural occurrences by being prepared. So preparation is the ultimate. So you could start by ensuring that if you have trees that are near your home, that if they were to fall would create serious damage, that you would want to prune some of those limbs, that you would want to ensure that your roof is properly secured, that you start to find pieces of ply to cover windows, properly secure those. And I know our savings are depleted, our incomes would have been affected by the COVID pandemic, but whatever little you have, start to put aside things like water, tin food, any little medication that you may need. You may want to get those quickly. If you are lucky enough to have a generator, then get some fuel so that that generator can operate. And very important that if you have documents, especially your passport and other IDs that are not laminated, that you want to get preferably a Ziploc bag and put them in and secure those, and then place those in an area that you can easily retrieve it, but at the same time it will be safe. And remember now, it does make sense that you alone survive the hurricane and everyone else dies. So you want to ensure that your neighbor beside you, that they are also prepared, and look out for the elderly in the community to make sure that they are also safe and secure. We can't do anything about hurricanes. They are naturally occurring. However, science is telling us that some of our actions may be having an impact. Certainly global warming, climate change, those issues are things that we need to think about. But we, in terms of how we build, in terms of how we follow our building code and where we choose to build, can have a significant impact on reducing the effects of hurricanes. And so especially for rural communities where sometimes we're building on hillsides that could be vulnerable, or on riverbanks or in river courses, when hurricanes are threatening, an important thing to do is to make an assessment, listen to the warnings, and it may be a wise thing to preemptively move out